Tonight, something truly amazing is happening in the sky above us. We call it the Northern Lights, or by its more scientific name, the Aurora Borealis. Imagine the sky filled with beautiful dancing ribbons of light. These lights can be green, pink, red, or even purple. They move and shimmer like curtains blowing in a gentle wind, but this wind comes from space. This spectacle connects us directly to the vastness of the universe and the powerful forces at play within our own solar system. This incredible display is happening because of a special event, a powerful geomagnetic storm. Think of it as a big gust of wind from the sun, much stronger than usual, reaching our planet Earth. Usually you have to travel very far north to places like Alaska or Norway to see such a show. But tonight, because this storm is particularly strong, the lights are expected to be visible much further south, offering a rare treat for many people across the United States. This is a chance to witness one of nature's most breathtaking phenomena. It is an invitation from the cosmos itself, a chance to pause our busy lives, step outside, look up, and be filled with a sense of wonder and awe at the universe's artistry. So what exactly are these northern lights? How does the sky light up like this? It all starts with our sun. The sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas. It is constantly sending out a stream of tiny particles. We call this stream the solar wind. Think of it like a wind, but instead of air, it is made of electrically charged particles, mostly electrons and protons. These particles travel very fast, speeding through space in all directions. Some of them travel towards Earth, on a journey that takes a few days to complete, covering the vast distance of about 93 million miles. When these charged particles from the sun reach Earth, they meet our planet's magnetic field. Earth acts like a giant magnet, with a north pole and a south pole. This magnetic field protects us from most of the solar wind, deflecting the particles around our planet. However, the magnetic field is weaker at the poles, so some of these solar particles can get trapped. They are guided by the magnetic field lines towards the Earth's polar regions, both the North Pole and the South Pole. This is why we have northern lights, Aurora Borealis, and southern lights, Aurora Australis. Why is tonight, June 2nd, 2025, such a special occasion for aurora viewing? It is because our sun is currently more active, and it has recently sent a particularly strong burst of solar wind towards Earth. This is often associated with events on the sun like solar flares or coronal mass ejections, CMEs. Think of a CME as a giant bubble of gas and magnetic fields erupting from the sun's surface. When one of these is aimed at Earth, it can cause a geomagnetic storm, and that is exactly what is happening right now. This increased solar activity makes the aurora much more intense and visible over a wider area. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, keeps a close watch on space weather. They have issued a G1 geomagnetic storm warning for tonight. A G1 storm is considered a minor storm on their scale, which goes up to G5, extreme. However, even a G1 storm is significant enough to push the aurora further south than usual. So, who are the lucky ones tonight? Where in the United States might you be able to catch this celestial ballet? According to the forecasts based on this G1 geomagnetic storm, the aurora could be visible, weather permitting, in up to 13 U.S. states. These are primarily northern-tier states, or states with northern regions that dip low enough on the horizon to catch the glow. Here is the list of states where you might get a glimpse of the northern lights tonight. First, the usual suspects. States known for occasional aurora sightings include Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, and New York, especially their northern parts. Then, moving westward, we have Michigan, particularly the Upper Peninsula, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. Further west still, the list includes North Dakota and Montana, states with vast, dark skies perfect for aurora hunting. Continuing our journey across the country, the aurora might also grace the skies of Idaho and Washington state. Section 5. Chasing the glow tips for a perfect viewing night. If you are in one of the lucky states and eager to see the northern lights, a few simple tips can greatly increase your chances of a successful viewing. First and foremost, you need to escape city lights. Light pollution is the biggest enemy of aurora watchers. Head out to the countryside, a state park, or any location far from urban glow. The darker the sky, the more sensitive your eyes will become, and the better you will be able to see the subtle colors and movements of the aurora. Allow your eyes at least 15 to 20 minutes to adapt to the darkness. Avoid looking at bright phone screens during this time. Next, check the weather forecast carefully. Clouds are another major obstacle. You need clear, or mostly clear skies to see the aurora. A beautiful auroral display happening above a thick blanket of clouds will remain invisible to you on the ground. Look for forecasts that predict clear conditions, especially in the northern part of the sky, as that is where the aurora will most likely appear if you are in the mid-latitudes. Some weather apps also provide cloud cover forecasts, which can be very helpful in planning your aurora hunt for the best possible window of opportunity. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to aurora viewing. Section 6. Whispers from the Sky, Aurora Facts and Legends. The Northern Lights have fascinated humanity for millennia, long before we understood the science behind them. Many cultures have beautiful legends and folklore associated with the aurora. Some Nordic myths, for instance, describe the lights as the reflections from the shields of the Valkyries, mythical warrior maidens who carried fallen heroes to Valhalla. Other northern peoples believed the lights were the spirits of their ancestors dancing in the sky, or torches lit by these spirits to guide newcomers to the afterlife. These stories highlight the awe and mystery the aurora inspired. Scientifically, auroras are not unique to Earth. We have observed them on other planets in our solar system that have atmospheres and magnetic fields. Jupiter and Saturn, the gas giants, have incredibly powerful auroras at their poles, much more energetic than Earth's. These have been photographed by spacecraft like the Hubble Space Telescope and the Juno probe. Section 7. Beyond Tonight, Staying Connected to the Aurora. What if you missed tonight's show? Perhaps the weather does not cooperate, or you are not in one of the prime viewing states. Do not despair. There are still ways to experience the magic of the aurora and to prepare for future opportunities. Many websites and organizations provide live webcams from locations in the far north, such as Alaska, Canada, Norway, or Iceland. These cameras stream the aurora live when it is dark and active, allowing you to watch the celestial dance from the comfort of your home, no matter where you are in the world. There are also numerous smartphone apps and websites dedicated to forecasting auroral activity. These resources, often provided by space weather agencies or astronomy enthusiasts, can give you short-term forecasts, a few days in advance, and real-time alerts when auroral activity is high. Apps like My Aurora Forecast and Alerts or Space Weather Live can send notifications to your phone if there is a good chance of seeing the lights in your area. Subscribing to email alerts from websites like NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center can also keep you informed about upcoming geomagnetic storms. Section 8. Look up and wonder. The universe awaits. Tonight's potential aurora display is a wonderful reminder to simply look up. In our busy modern lives, it is easy to forget the vast and incredible universe that surrounds us. The northern lights, whether you see them vividly or just catch a faint glow, connect us to something much larger than our everyday concerns. They are a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos, a spectacle of light and energy that has been occurring for eons, long before humans walked the earth, and will continue long after we are gone. Embracing these moments of natural wonder can be truly enriching. Whether it is the northern lights, a meteor shower, a lunar eclipse, or simply a clear night sky full of stars, these celestial events offer a sense of perspective. They remind us of our place in the universe, on this small blue planet, orbiting a rather ordinary star, in a galaxy of hundreds of billions of stars. This perspective can be humbling, but also inspiring. It encourages curiosity and a desire to understand more about the world and the cosmos we inhabit.